In this video, we're going to talk about 3 pages that we give you when we build your WordPress website. The first one is Buy, and can be found by either clicking on Buy in the main menu or Why Buy with Us. Sometimes it's named differently, but these two are the exact same pages. Then you have Sell. Again, Sell, you can click here. It's the same thing as Selling 101. Or again, we may have named it something different based on what you wanted, or if it's a different theme. And then the other one is Marketing Your Home under Sell. So I have all 3 of these pages open right here so that you can see them. And what I want to explain to that is we've already set these pages up for you, so they're ready to go. But it is important to come in here and read these pages and make sure that they fit what you do. So every area is different. I can't write a buy page and have it fit every area across the whole United States because everybody is different in what they do and offer. So it is important for you to come through and read the content here, and then submit any changes to me. When submitting a change, you're going to just copy the URL, and you can write me an email or put it in a Word document. It doesn't matter, but however you're going to do it, let me just open up a new document here. The easiest way to do it would be to open up a document.
Yes, that's me.
Okay, so I have a new document opened here, so I'm just going to paste the page, and then you can copy the paragraph that you want to change, paste it in here, make your changes, and then whatever it is. So let's say you just don't want this sentence, you can delete it out. Maybe you want to add in here, something else like whatever, it doesn't matter what it is. Add your content in here and then say, please update the below paragraph to this new text. And then any other text that you want to change would be helpful. Then go to the sell page. Again, come in here, and this talks about selling a home. These are some basic stuff. It should fit most people. If you want to change the I to we or anything like that, you can let us know, on this page, change all the I's to we, and we will change those. The most important page that you need to look at is the Marketing Your Home page. In this page, we've given a lot of examples of what realtors do when they market a home and they take on a new listing. So some of those are pretty common, like pricing your home and putting it in the MLS. That's pretty universal, but not everybody does single property landing pages, or they do them differently. Your site will come with the ability to create a single property. Your site will come with the ability to create a single property landing page. So you have that ability inside your dashboard, which we have a separate video on creating those. But if you use some other system or something else, then you might want to change this link to something else. So you may say, send this link, and then tell us for this paragraph, make your changes, and then change link to, and give me a link to an example. Some people don't do drone photography, so they want us to remove that. Some people do Matterport 3D tours, and they want us to add that. So some people don't do text message technology, and so they want us to remove that. If you're interested in text message technology, I usually just go to Google and type in real estate text message, or there's a website called Textmarks, TEXTMARKS, that has text message technology that you can look for as well. So maybe you don't do open houses. So whatever it is about this page you want to change, you want to send that to us. Once you get it all in a Word document, you can either save the document and attach it to an email, or just copy and paste the whole thing into an email and send it to us. Whatever you do, please do take the time to go through these 3 pages. Again, it is very important. You don't want to have a potential seller come to your site and say, hey, I saw that you do drone photography, and then you don't do drone photography, and it looks bad for you. So we're very adamant about going to these pages. Make sure you read them all and submit any changes to us. And if you have any questions about it, just give us a shout, give us a call, email, support@yoursiteneedsme.com. We're happy to help you out and make any changes that you want. This is part of your design, so these are included in your design, and we await your changes. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, pero, yeah, pull. Oh, yeah, ooh, yeah.